as you can see, I've got the Coronado back on the bench here. I got the base covered with Mod Podge and fabric, and the cover is also finished, so I can see about finishing this machine up and getting it ready to move on. So it's straight stitch only, and probably need to get a little bit of oil into our stitch control here, but I did oil it all when I first got it, and it needed a spring for the cover plate, because the cover plate has a broken spring ear on it. It's also missing a screw, but good news is that these springs are very generic, so a Singer spring works just fine for this cover plate. I also got a electronic pedal on a plug block. Just honestly, I don't remember if this machine, what the deal was with the pedal for this machine. I know the cord was all rotten, but I need to find my narrow screwdrivers to get that screw out. There we go. So I also need to look and see if I've got another screw, because without a second screw this is just gonna loosen up as you use it, and that's no good. But we'll look for that in a moment. Bit of business now is, since this motor got rewired and worked, I gotta find a belt to throw on it. Grab that is incredibly too long. What size even is this? The marking came off this belt, so this is a 350, 35 centimeters. Too short though. All right. I guess I gotta dig in my belts before we can continue on. MB370 is the belt I found to fit this, but let's see now. Motor in our motor socket. Bobbin winding clutch works. Light works. Oh, beautiful. And that fantastic bobbin winder is functional. Well, that was a little faster than I thought. Let's get a quick stitch test and see how we go. Oh, wait. Ah, right. I guess I need to put a spool thread on the spool pin. And then I wonder how this would work. Let's try that. Alright, because this has got to fit on the notch. There we go. I might need to go looking online for a manual for this goofy winder button on the back of the machine. That's a strange setup. Oh, and I stuck a bobbin in that bobbin case when I stuck it in here, so let's just see if it... stitches, and then figure out what to do with that bobbin winder in a minute. Hold the thread up, so that's a good sign. And set our dial to 5 and a perfect stitch on the first try. What luck. Well, I'm gonna, I guess, go looking for a manual and then figure out how to use this bobbin winder better.